the ultimate guide to making money online, the comprehensive online course that will unlock the secrets to financial success in the digital world. Are you ready to learn the proven strategies and techniques that will help you generate income from the comfort of your own home? If so, you're in the right place. Expert Instruction. Our course is led by a team of seasoned online entrepreneurs and experts who have achieved remarkable success in the digital landscape. Each instructor brings a wealth of knowledge, real-world experience, and a passion for helping others succeed. Here's what you can expect from our expert instructors. In-depth industry knowledge. Our instructors have deep expertise in various online income streams, such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, digital products, freelancing, and more. They stay updated with the latest trends, strategies, and tools in the online business world, ensuring you receive the most relevant and up-to-date information. Personal success stories. Our instructors have walked the talk and have their own success stories to share. They have built thriving online businesses from scratch, faced challenges, and overcome obstacles along the way. By sharing their personal experiences, they provide valuable insights, practical tips, and proven strategies that have worked for them. Practical guidance. Our instructors understand that learning is most effective when accompanied by practical application. They provide step-by-step guidance, practical exercises, and real-life examples to help you understand and implement the concepts covered in the course. You have the opportunity to apply what you've learned to your own online ventures, ensuring a hands-on and engaging learning experience. Q&A and support. Our instructors are committed to your success and are available to answer your questions, provide feedback, and offer support throughout the course. They understand the importance of personalized guidance and are dedicated to helping you overcome challenges and achieve your goals. You can interact with them directly during live Q&A sessions, discussions, and through our dedicated course community. Continued learning. Our instructors foster a culture of lifelong learning. They encourage you to stay updated with the evolving online business landscape and provide recommendations for further resources, tools, and industry events. They are invested in your long-term success and are committed to equipping you with the skills and knowledge to adapt to changing trends and opportunities. Comprehensive curriculum. Our comprehensive curriculum is meticulously designed to provide you with a holistic understanding of the various aspects of making money online. Each module is carefully crafted to ensure that you gain the knowledge, skills, and practical experience needed to succeed in the digital marketplace. Here's an extended overview of our comprehensive curriculum. Number 1. Introduction to Online Income Streams. Exploring the wide range of online income opportunities available, including e-commerce, affiliate marketing, freelancing, digital products, and more. Understanding the benefits and potential challenges associated with each income stream. Assessing your skills, interests, and goals to determine the most suitable online income streams for you. Number 2. Building your online presence. Crafting a compelling online persona and personal brand that resonates with your target audience. Creating an engaging website or online platform that reflects your brand identity. Mastering the art of creating captivating content that attracts and retains visitors. Number 3. Niche selection and market research. Conducting thorough market research to identify profitable niches and target markets. Understanding the needs, pain points, and desires of your target audience. Evaluating competition and identifying unique selling propositions, ASPs, to differentiate yourself in the market. Number 4. Monetizing your online presence. Exploring various monetization methods, including affiliate marketing, e-commerce, digital products, sponsored content, and more. Developing a monetization strategy that aligns with your niche, target audience, and long-term goals. Implementing effective pricing strategies and maximizing revenue potential. Number 5. Effective marketing strategies. Implementing search engine optimization, SEO techniques to increase organic visibility and drive targeted traffic to your online platform. Harnessing the power of content marketing to engage and build trust with your audience. Leveraging social media platforms, email marketing, and paid advertising to amplify your reach and promote your offerings. Practical exercises and examples. We present you with real-life case studies of successful online entrepreneurs who have achieved significant results in their respective niches. You analyze their strategies, business models, and marketing techniques, extracting valuable insights that you can apply to your own ventures. These case studies provide a practical framework for understanding how successful online businesses operate. Interactive exercises. We include interactive exercises at the end of each module to apply the knowledge you've gained. These exercises may involve creating a sample business plan, conducting market research, optimizing a website for search engines, designing a social media campaign, or developing a monetization strategy. By actively participating in these exercises, you gain hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of the topics covered. Practical projects. Throughout the course, you'll be assigned practical projects related to your chosen online income stream. These projects will guide you through the process of setting up your online platform, creating engaging content, implementing marketing campaigns, and monetizing your online presence. By working on these projects, you gain valuable experience and practical skills that can be directly applied to your own online business. Feedback and evaluation. We believe that feedback is essential for growth and improvement. Throughout the course, we provide a robust feedback and evaluation system to support your learning journey. Here's an extended overview of the feedback and evaluation process. Instructor feedback. Our instructors are dedicated to your success and provide personalized feedback on your assignments, exercises, and projects. They review your work, offer constructive criticism, highlight strengths, and provide actionable suggestions for improvement. This feedback is designed to guide you in refining your strategies, enhancing your skills, and maximizing your potential for success. Peer feedback. We foster a collaborative learning environment where you have the opportunity to provide and receive feedback from your peers. Group discussions, forums, and interactive sessions allow you to share ideas, ask questions, and offer insights. By engaging in peer feedback, you gain different perspectives, broaden your understanding, and learn from the experiences of others. Progress assessments. Regular progress assessments are conducted throughout the course to evaluate your understanding and retention of the material covered. These assessments may include quizzes, assignments, or practical projects. They provide an opportunity to gauge your progress, identify areas for improvement, and reinforce your learning. Performance metrics. We provide performance metrics to help you track your progress and measure your achievements. These metrics may include completion rates, quiz scores, or project evaluations. By monitoring your performance, you can assess your strengths, identify areas that need further development, and set goals for continuous improvement. One-on-one consultations. In addition to group feedback, we offer one-on-one consultations with our instructors. These sessions provide a personalized learning experience where you can discuss your specific challenges, seek guidance on your online business strategies, and receive individualized feedback tailored to your unique needs and goals. Thanks for watching.